Stop disgracing us. I know say I be Nigerian, but I know go fit do wetin una they do for Ghana. Never. These are ASHAWO girls. Stop disgracing us. Guys, I'm here with a video I want you guys to check out. I was in my home one day and I heard somebody crying, disturbing the neighborhood. And guess what? Now one Nigerian ASHAWO girl, we can walk. You understand the kind of walk why they talk now? She followed one man to his house and the man refused to pay her the amount they agreed. And guess what? The man kicked her out of his house with beating, with blow. Boo, 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 boo. So she was on the street crying loud. If you see the crowd this girl brought out, and when we sit here and we are talking about what you guys are doing, these ASHAWO people in Ghana, you guys will come insulting us as if we do not know what we are doing. This is how I will be capturing you one by one. She even thank God say I don't record her during the day. I didn't mean during the day. Why is it that this ASHAWO work now only for night? I didn't mean during the day. I will capture her face, put her here for everybody to see. So your family self will see what they do for here. Don't be every girl where they Ghana they do ASHAWO. I mean, not be every Nigerian girl where they Ghana they do ASHAWO. There are people that are doing legit hustle, and all the blames finally comes to our head. We get affected because we don't do it, and it's worrisome. Can you imagine how she disgraced herself? Can you imagine how she disgraced herself, guys? It be like they talk too much. Make her allow her. Watch the video. Watch the video. From the way she talk, I easily identify, say, this girl is Nigerian. Let's check it out, and I will be right back.
I don't really know what is happening there, but the lady is shouting. I don't know what happened to her, but seriously, she is disturbing our peace. Yeah, I'm upstairs, and let me show you guys how far this place is. But look at how far it is. You see, so I zoom it so you guys will see. I hope you all are hearing her cry. I don't know what they are discussing though. I don't even know where she's from. I'm trying to see if she sounds Ghanaian or maybe she might be a Nigerian. I'm not really sure. What I'm not sure about is she from this house or they dropped her from the car that left earlier. I don't know. She's talking, but sincerely speaking, I don't know what she's saying. And that's because I'm far from them. She's really like crying and shouting. I don't know. I wish we can see their faces there. And I don't want to go down before they'll call me Conconsar girl. Yeah. Do you guys know what time is it? It's almost 12 midnight. And that's what is happening. She's shouting. Earlier, the dogs were barking and all. I don't know. I'm just curious to see if she's gonna enter the house. I'm just curious to see. Wow, Samsung, you guys are doing well. Look at how far this place is, but I could zoom my camera and you guys can see. I wish I can see what she's wearing. I can't. They are still there. I don't know. I don't know what they are doing. But I feel they dropped her from the car. Yes, because she was there with some people. And I heard her saying 500. They wanted to cheat me. He was beating me. And I started hitting her. And she sounded like a Nigerian. I'm telling you, she's sounding like a Nigerian. She's sounding like a Nigerian, I swear. Tomorrow I'm going to ask what really happened. So I will tell you guys in details. Well, that is the girl. The girl is sounding like a Nigerian. She's sounding like a Nigerian. Yeah. So guys, this girl is a Nigerian. She's a Nigerian. She's a Nigerian. The way she's sounding. Because if she is not a Nigerian, she would have mixed with tree. She's a Nigerian, and I only pushed her. She might be a hookup girl or something, and she met the wrong people. But I'm going to ask in details. I think I have to go downstairs. I'll go downstairs. So guys, it's confirmed. The lady is a Nigerian and she came here to do the way. So I'm even surprised by this time someone is already here doing some kind of things. I don't just want to mention, ASHAWO girl. Yes, that's what she is. That's who she is. So according to the story I heard that they agreed. Yeah, she agreed with the person that's going to pay her 500 Ghana cedis, and he paid her 300. So right now she is right in front of the man's house. That's the man's house, and that is the gate. So the security man was the one who disgraced her and pulled her out of the house right now. He pulled her out of the house, guys. So when he pulled her out of the house, and she's outside shouting, like disturbing the neighborhood. These are the kind of people that do disgrace us. This lady is one of those ladies that make people to be talking to us anyhow. It's really, really sad. Yes, guys. Like I said, I'm never going to defend any Nigerian. Never, ever, ever. I'm never going to defend. This is one of the reasons why they see us as, they see us all, Nigerian ladies in Ghana as ASHAWO. But can you imagine by this time, what time is it? I think it's to 12. And that's when she's with the guy. They are already done doing their kukere waka. And she's asking for her money. And he gave her 300. Maybe she did not service him well. Maybe she did not service him well. Only God knows. But I'm here and I'm filming here using style. I came down from up. So to update you guys of what is happening. Nigerian girls living in Ghana. Mauna take her easy. Mauna take her easy. Look at what this guy did to this lady now. And she's here crying. They gave her 300 cities. She's not even thanking her. She's saying, how will she go? How will she go? 300 cities will carry you go your place. Well, guys, I just said, let me update you. That's what is happening. ASHAWO girl, she came and they agreed on a price. So, as she finished her kukere waka, they finished the do's. So, the guy is supposed to give her 500 cities and he gave her 300. Then fight starts. I don't know what to say at this point, guys. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section, okay? Please don't come and bash me. Don't come and bash me. I'm just updating you guys the reason why I'm not sleeping by this time. Yeah. These kind of people are the ones making noise. In fact, she's disturbing the neighborhood, but what can we do? Yeah. Why are they... But wait a minute. Why are these people even asking that question? They would have just allowed her. So now, okay, now, why is she still standing in front of his gate?
Because of money that
the 200 cities.
So,
but
apparently she was supposed to be giving 500 cities, and she ended up getting 300 cities. That's just it.
Maybe she did not service him well. Who knows? No, but that's it. But agreement is agreement, though. The guy did not try, and he carried her to his house instead of him to even take her somewhere to your house.
On top of that, so she was beating you.
Hey, who beat her?
So exactly. So that's the point.
It's the guy that beat her or the security man?
So it started with the man. The security man also, ended up also beating her in there.
And then this man is wicked. Oh my God. Very wicked man. We're waiting carry her from Nigeria. There are no places to do this kind of things in Nigeria. They are here disgracing us. I'm a Nigerian too.
And I was even trying to bring her to the, mind of the fact that she should just
She should go and home.
Because-
She should go and continue her work. you know she's not going home. She should go and continue because by now she would have seen another person.
see.
How much is 200? They've given you 3. Just go. Just go. She cannot do anything. He will not give her. Look at his big house. Oh, but this man, yeah, disgrace.
Exactly my point. I was like, why don't you just give this lady whatever?
Look at your big house. Very stingy
And
man.
everything. I had this knowing that
Me
like
too.
30 minutes ago. But
Yes.
I wasn't sure what that thing was.
Since from the inside, she was shouting.
Exactly.
The Ghanaian men start taking Ghana ASHAWO. They are calm. This is how Nigerian ASHAWO behave. They are ras. They will disgrace you. If they did not beat her, I think she was proving stubborn. That's why they started beating her. If not, I don't know. I don't think Ghanaian man would be. She's proving stubborn. Maybe she was one that started beating him in his house. It's possible, you know, right? I'm telling you. I know. No, it's possible. Because a Ghanaian man is very difficult. It's very difficult though. Can you beat?
I've realized that it's very,
Good, that's what I'm telling you. Me too, I know my people. That's what I'm saying. She is maybe she's one that started, she's slapping, give me my money. Then he wants to show her because a Ghanaian man that I know will never carry his hands because you guys respect women. So maybe she disrespected him. No, I'm a Nigerian and I'm telling you this.
How long have you been here in Ghana?
I schooled here.
For real?
Yes, I schooled in Oxford University College at East Legon. I finished long time, 2015. I came back 2 years ago. Yes, I returned back 2 years ago. Oh, me, I'm not a small girl, yes. Yeah. It's Nigeria is not peaceful. That's the reason why I'm here. I'm from the north, and you see what is happening in the north. So I'm here. In case of anything, my parents will just come and join me. So I'm just building my life here. Yeah. And I'm a YouTuber. So this video, I'm going to talk about it. And I'm going to draw, I'm just showing my face. I'm going to draw people's attention so that you should know, especially Nigerians that say, hey, they're treating their people bad here. Look at one of the reasons why. She came here to disgrace herself. Foolish girl. What the, because of her, I'm receiving insult though. All these ASHAWO people. Sometimes I cannot go for clubbing, I cannot go out. They'll be calling me some kind of names. I cannot dress like the way I want to dress and go out. They'll be thinking I am. What the, are they okay? Because of them. I better make them free her. This kind of people, they don't pity them. Now her mouth make this man bitter. Nothing like.
What happened to her if it was a different place?
Look at her. She should be evil. Where is the Igbo king? He should come and rescue his Igbo people. Rubbish. Who woke me up from sleep? I was deeply into sleep, like I was gone. She woke me up with shout. Hey, the whole of Roman Reach today, they are awake. Dogs were just barking because of Nigerian girl in Ghana. So people get mine though. You are in Ghana and you get mine. Now she beat that man. I'm telling you, now she beat that man. Then the man show her say, I be man. And you be ASHAWO. Now what's happened? Trust me. So guys, it's 1:00 a.m. and this girl is still there. I beg, we won't go sleep. We cannot be here. We tried. Look at her. She's still there. She's still there. Can you guys see her? She's still there sitting down. So, I'm here with and Jamal. We're going inside, guys. I cannot wait again. Hi, this girl. No. Where are they? Nigerian girls, they will not kill us. They will not kill us in Ghana. So look at how she disgraced herself. And for this Ghanaian man, we carry this girl. You guys agreed on a price. You agreed on a price. Why didn't you pay her? Why did you refuse to pay her? You agreed to pay her 500 cedis. So how come you are giving her 300 cedis? And this girl is stubborn, and she's stubborn rich. She stood in front of their gate and said she's not going to go until the man pay her. We got tired and we left. And from my conversation with the guy, I mean, one of my neighbor that was there from the beginning to the end of everything, he said that she told him that the man refused to pay her the money. Then he started beating her and threw her out of his house. Then I told the guy, no. I told him, no. I mean, you guys heard it from the video. I said, no. Ghanaian men that I know cannot just beat a woman like that. They cannot just beat a woman like that. Maybe she did something that triggered him to do what he did. And you know these ASHAWO people, they don't get hurt too. They don't get hurt. I will not be surprised if she's the one that slapped him first. You know, when you make a man angry, he can do the unspeakable. That's exactly what happened. This girl, the way she was outside crying and disturbing people. I was in my room, I heard her shouting. I thought maybe husband and wife are fighting. I don't know, saying ASHAWO, Nigerian ASHAWO. Now, when I type, they make people disrespect us in Ghana. If not, what's the meaning of what you did? Instead of you to even carry yourself, go with shame. You were shouting, people gathered. You gathered crowd. You gathered crowd. And you, Mr. Man, now everybody don't know, say, you dey carry ASHAWO. You dey carry ASHAWO. If you want to do this kind of game, why you carry ASHAWO go your house? If you go somewhere, but look at the way she disgraced you, because now we know that you dey carry ASHAWO. You have big house like this, you go carry ASHAWO. Nigerian ASHAWO for that matter. Instead of you to carry Ghanaian ASHAWO self, that one, she for worship you small. You go carry Nigerian ASHAWO, those Agbero, where their mind just their money. Now exactly what happened with that, guys. I beg. This is very annoying. Please, I just want to let you guys know that not every girl in Ghana, they do ASHAWO. And we are here trying to put an end to all these things happening. So whenever we see somebody misbehaving like this, we will bring them on here and warn them. This is unacceptable. Okay, you guys cannot be cashing out, and we don't know anything where they happen. Now we go to collect all the insults. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I want to use this medium to appreciate my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for always coming back for your girl. I really appreciate you all. And if this is your first time on this channel, if you watch this video from beginning to this time, if not subscribed to the channel, why? Me pacho. Please subscribe to the channel already, and also do to press the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop another one. I love you always. Bye.